Best Cricket League first week of competition. After a month of practice, the students, parents, teachers, principals, and coaches of the 8 cricket teams were all ready for the competition to begin. Whitehall 1 powers past Heather Hills 2. Whitehall 1 won the toss and put Heather Hills into bat first. Joshua Agomuo opened the bowling for Whitehall and only gave up 1 run in his over. Leah Arrieta bowled next, and Heather Hills' Meredith Pena got a boundary off Leah's bowling. The diminutive and talented Ella Ziegler also hit a 4 in her 7 runs. But Leah quickly put an end to Ella's resistance. With overpowering bowling from the twins, Nathan and Joseph Zakarski, and Ethan Hapeman Farrell, Heather Hills too could only muster a total of 18 runs in their 10 overs. Joseph got 3 wickets, Ethan got 2 wickets, and Nathan got 1 wicket. When Whitehall 1 batted, Julia Pearson, Kaden Pir Mohamed, Lee Reiter, and Zachary Sava knocked off the runs in 3 overs. Zachary did most of the damage, smashing a 6 and 2 fours for his 14 runs. The MVP for Whitehall 1 was Joseph Zakarski for his excellent bowling, and Ella Ziegler was the MVP for Heather Hills 2 for her good batting.